Hello everyone, welcome to watch this video. Now, ready to install your graphics card. First, open the packet and prepare your computer. Open the side PVC board of the case. And lay down the case. Find the graphics card screws. Loosen the card screws. If there is a cover, remove it first. Then align your graphics card with the PCI nut and press it in firmly until the card is fully setted. Make sure that the gold edge connector of the graphics card is securely inserted. Tighten the screws. Install the computer case well. Connect the graphics card and the monitor by appropriate cable. If there's only one VGA interface, then you need to buy an adapter. Finally, connect the monitor to the computer